Alright, so we have to install some IDE, Integrated Development Environment, in order to use Python inside our machines. Now, there are tons of different IDEs available in the market. You can use PyCharm, you can use Visual Studio Code, you can use some line text editor as well, along with other compilers. But I would recommend using either of these two for learning purposes. In industry and commercial projects, people usually and mostly use Visual Studio or PyCharm with Python and IDEs like that. But for learning purpose, I usually recommend to use either Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. So you can use either of these. They are quite identical. Only the differences are the following, right? So if you're going to use Colab, you don't have to install anything. Everything is available online. All you need is a Google account or any Gmail account, which is free, very easy to create. And once you have it, you can log into Google Colab and you can use it. The only thing that you need, two things that you need are Google account that I have discussed earlier and an internet connection. That's it. You don't need any installations because everything will work online and you'll be working on the server of Google over there, right? So this is about Colab. So if you have internet connection, you don't want any kind of installations, go ahead. You can use Google Colab as well. Another positive thing about Google Colab is you will be storing your data files and your coding files on your Google Drive. So if you even do not have your computer, your laptop, you're somewhere else, you can log in to any other machine and you'll have your data, your Colab notebooks with you, right? This is for Google Colab. Now, the other thing is Jupyter Notebook. If you don't want to use an online compiler, if you don't want to, stick to internet connection, then you can install Jupyter Notebook inside your machines. Jupyter Notebook comes along with a package called Anaconda. So you'll have to install Anaconda first, and then, Jupyter Notebook is encapsulated inside the Anaconda, along with a lot of other packages as well that we'll use inside this course as well. Now, what are the benefits of Jupyter Notebook? You're not dependent on internet connection. You do not need any Google account, but you'll have to download a few setups and you'll have to install them. So both of them have pros and cons. What I'll be showing you how to install both of them in next video, but I will personally be using Jupyter Notebook inside this course. I would recommend you to just go with me so that we all are on the same platform. But if even you're using Google Colab, that's not a big deal because interface is more or less similar on both of the ends, right? So in next video, I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook along with Anaconda and how to log in to Google Colab.